warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? This is Science Lessons Grade 3 and this is Chapter 2, Session 1, Lesson 2. How does energy change forms? Again, how does energy change forms? You're gonna find this lesson in the booklet page 40. So let's watch this video together to know more about energy forms.
Energy can be found in many different forms. It can also change from one form to another. Sometimes people change the form of energy by using machines. When you switch on a light, electrical energy changes into light energy.
Okay guys, can you tell me what happened here when you switch on this light? Which kind of energy changed to light energy? Electric energy. Excellent. So electric energy changed to light energy. Okay, let's continue.
Energy does not completely change from one form to another. When the light bulb stays on, it becomes warm. Here, the light energy also produces some heat.
Okay guys, so this is a light bulb. It produces light and some heat. Yeah, so when electric energy change into light energy, some of this energy change to heat energy. Okay, for example, if you have 5 units of electric energy, okay, so we have here 4 units of light energy and 1 unit of heat energy. This is for example. So the amount of energy is still the same, 5 and 5 units, but change forms. Excellent.
Another common machine is a CD player. A CD player changes a...
Okay, now wait. I need to ask you, a CD player change... Yep, here. A CD player change electric energy into, can you tell me? Sound energy. Good job. Okay, let's continue.
Is a CD player. A CD player changes electrical energy into sound energy. Both sound and light energy travel as waves. A wave is a...
Okay guys, so we're gonna talk about the traveling of light or any kind of energy next session inshallah, and we're gonna know that energy travel as a wave. Okay, so let's now move to booklet page 40. Energy can change from one form to another, like here, energy change from electrical energy to light and heat energy. Okay, people can change energy into forms they can use. Like when we eat food, we change chemical energy into kinetic energy. A light bulb, again, this is a light bulb, changes electrical energy to light and heat energy. Good job. Okay, so this is apple, or it was apple. Okay. So this apple have chemical energy. When you eat this apple, your body change this chemical energy into kinetic energy. Okay. So your body changes chemical energy stored in food into energy of motion. We call it kinetic energy. Using energy. Okay, sometimes people use machines to change forms of energy. We have many different kinds of machines. For example, a cable car like this. Cable car changes potential energy to kinetic energy. So fun to ride one, by the way. Okay, an electrical toothbrush like this changes chemical energy. Who can tell me chemical energy stored inside what? Anyone can tell me? Battery. Good job. So chemical energy stored inside batteries change to electrical energy. Excellent. Then electrical energy changed to kinetic energy. Okay, so let's watch this video together to know more about transformations of energy, means change from any kind to another.
energy transformation. Energy is the ability to do work. It makes a car run, a radio to play, and a bulb to switch on. It allows a kid to ride a bike and draw pictures. It makes a rabbit hop and a bird to fly. It makes a plant to grow. Wherever you see motion or light, feel heat, or hear a sound, energy is being used. But what happens when all the energy is used up? How can we make more? The answer is that energy is never really used.
Okay guys, what do you think? What do you think? What will happen if energy finish? What do you think? Energy will finish? No, that can't be happen. Why? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala create energy, and energy never end, never finish. Why? Because energy is always around us. Just transform or change from one form to another form, never finish and never end. Okay, so let's continue.
Ever watched a cartoon where someone transformed from an ordinary person into a superhero? Energy transforms itself all the time.
So energy is like a Superman. Do you like Superman? Yeah, okay, so energy is like a Superman. Just transfer from one form to another form. Like Superman transfer for just a man to a Superman. Okay, let's continue.
Here are some examples of energy transformations. People, animals, and plants all need energy to live.
Okay, can you tell me how we can get energy to live? In animals and plants, how can we get energy? People, animals, plants, how can they get energy? By eating food. Good job. Okay, what kind of energy or what form of energy stored inside food? Can you tell me? Chemical energy. Excellent. So, people, animals need to eat food, and they change chemical energy inside food to excellent kinetic energy and any other kind of energy. Teacher, okay, plants. Yeah, plants use food, but plants make its own food. Okay, let's continue.
Where do we get it? It starts with the sun. The sun is the source of a lot of the energy on Earth.
So, sun is the main source of energy on Earth. Again, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala creates sun to give us energy. Excellent. So, sun is the main source of energy on Earth.
Plants use sunlight to make their food.
So, this plant uses light energy from the sun to make food.
Then people and animals eat the plants and get energy from them. People also eat animals which eat the plants. Electricity is a kind of energy that can flow from one place to another. We use a lot of electricity in our homes, don't we? We turn on lights, use computers.
Okay, can you tell me? Here, the light, electrical energy changed to light and heat. Excellent. This light bulb produce light and heat energy. Good job.
Use computers. Watch television. And cook food. Where does it come from?
Okay guys, so let's see some transformations of energy forms. Here in this battery, yeah, there are chemical energy stored inside the battery. Okay, this chemical energy changed to electrical energy and it makes the toy move, or this, yeah, excellent, light, good job. Okay, so cell phones, flashlight, so all those devices use electrical energy stored inside the batteries. Good job. So battery change chemical energy into electrical energy. Good job. And then here change to electrical energy, change to light energy. And here in the cell phones, they change into, where is the cell phone? Yeah, okay, in the cell phones change into, here, cell phones change into light and sound energy. Okay, and maybe inside electronic, okay, electronic games change electric energy to maybe kinetic energy or light and sound energy. Okay, so you see here electrical energy flows inside those wires. Okay, so guys, do you know fuel? Yeah, we said before that chemical energy is stored inside food, fuel, and batteries. So where did this fuel come from? Okay, let's read to know. Fossil fuels are remains of ancient trees and plants that grow hundreds of millions of years ago. So those plants and some animals, after they died or after they dead, and after a lot of time, like maybe 300 million years, those dead plants and animals change to coal, oil, and gas. So this is fossil fuel. Fossil fuel. Okay, anyone, can you tell me electrical energy change into what kind of energy inside this television? Light and sound. Super, good job. Okay, so let's move to page 42. Energy doesn't change completely from one form to another. Some energy is always given off as heat. Like here in this light bulb, electrical energy change into light and heat energy. Let's say again. For example, if we have 5 units of electricity or electrical energy, and we use them to light up this light bulb, those 5 units will change to light energy and heat energy. Okay, 4 units light energy and 1 unit heat energy, so we have the whole 5 units. So the amount of energy stay the same, but just change, yeah, the forms. And you have to know some energy is always given off as heat. Okay, so how energy travels? What do you think? Moving objects have energy. Yeah, we all know this. Energy can travel from one place to another place. It can also move from one object to another object. Like if you have a cup of hot tea and you put a teaspoon inside it, what will happen to this spoon? It will become hot. This means that energy moved from this cup of tea to the spoon. So energy moves from one object to another. If we turn on the light here inside this room, and you are outside the room, you can't see the light. So this means that light travels from this room to the outside of the room. So, do you like this bowling game? Yeah, so a moving bowling ball has kinetic energy. Yeah, it moves, so it has to have some kinetic energy. So when the ball hits the pins, what happens? It gives energy to them. So the pins move and the ball slows down. Excellent. Some energy is lost in the form of heat. Yeah, when they hit each other, you can, if you touch them, you can find little hot. So some energy is lost in the form of heat, and the total amount of energy doesn't change. Do you remember? The total amount of energy doesn't change, stay the same, just the forms change. Okay guys, time for new words. The energy that is stored, okay, inside batteries, food and fuel, what do you think, again, is the energy that's stored in batteries, food and fuel? Chemical, good job. Chemical energy, let's clap for you. Okay guys, this is all for today. See you next time inshallah. Bye.